Hello friends, today I'm gonna talk about how to fix Instagram story restyle option not showing problem. To do this, first go back and go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for Instagram. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now clear cache and delete app data. After that, go back, scroll up and tap on permissions. Now make sure all permission is allowed. After that, go back and go to your Play Store. Now search for Instagram. Update your Instagram if it's available and open it. By doing this easy process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.